start by opening up Google Earth. As it's loading up, take a look at all the options that you have. Let's start over on the left side with the layers. You can have borders and labels. You could always take away labels and take away borders. But I find it best to leave them on. You could also look to see photos that people have placed. Let's just click zoom in to see if we can find one of these items, a photo. As you can see around Lawrence, there are quite a few pictures. There's one, the true center of Google Earth. Click on that. There's many places, or there's many photos here that just describe the area that we are there. Okay. 3D buildings, oceans, weather, gallery, and all these have drop-down menus with the little sideways arrow, and you can always find practically anything that you want to be that you can find on Earth. Okay. We're going to uncheck all those and just leave borders and labels up. As you can see, you can click and drag around to navigate around the globe. Let's zoom out to see North America and Mexico. Let's explore by searching in the search bar in the upper left-hand corner of Google Earth. Let's look up the Empire State Building. Let's click on the first one here. It's in New York, New York. Click search and then double click enter. And it's going to take you right to the exact point of where it's at. Okay, we can zoom in closer. We can see that, yeah, there's a tall building here, but you can't really tell that it's a tall building. So above the zoom, there's a person. You're going to click the person and drag it to one of the surrounding streets. You'll see that now you can see a 3D image of the buildings here in New York. Now here is the bottom of the Empire State Building, and if you drag upwards, you're able to see the height of this building. Okay, and then to exit Street View, you just click here in this corner. Okay, and then we're going to zoom out and zoom out, and we'll be coming out of Street View, and then it'll come where we're looking on top of all the buildings. Okay. Next, let's go back to the search bar and go to Paris, France. Here it is in the drop down menu. Click search and double click enter, and there we go. Across the ocean to Paris, France. Now, to find a certain thing within Paris, you can always just zoom in, and go around and kind of look at all the streets, just see, and see that there's the river, the Seine. Okay, now let's try to find the Eiffel Tower in Paris, France. Here. So drop down, double enter. Okay, and that will take you right to where the Eiffel Tower is. As you can see, it's right here with the A. And we're gonna zoom in, and there is the Eiffel Tower. And let's see if street option is available. Yep, where you can click and drag into street view with the blue lines. You can turn here, and voila! There is the Eiffel Tower in Paris, France. Okay, now let's go visit the famous Notre Dame Cathedral. Cathedral Notre Dame de Paris. Search, double enter, and we should be flying over there. As you can see, it's on this small island in the river. Here's a channel of the river right here. And let's zoom in. Let's see if it'll focus. As you can see, Notre Dame is right here. This is the courtyard where most visitors wait in line. And let's see if street option is available here also. And yes, it is. Let's click the one right in front of Notre Dame. And now you are transformed right into Notre Dame. And you're able to see the artwork in the three arches out in front, and then you can see up, and you just can explore. This is the area outside, and you can look all the way around 360 degrees. Now, I'd like you to try to look up your hometown. My hometown is found in Germany. I am from Ramstein Air Force Base. See if they can find that. Okay. Obviously, they could not. So let me try to find Ramstein, Germany. And there it is. Search, double enter. And you are transported to Ramstein-Miesenbach. It's a small German village right here. But I am from this area here, which is the Air Force Base. And we can zoom in. You can see the planes on the flight line, the airport terminal. Yeah. Commissary BX. Let's see if there's photos. There is a photo here of the headquarters of United States Air Force Europe, the Officers Club. There's another one. A portion of the Berlin Wall. Let's click on that. And outside the headquarters, there is a piece of the Berlin Wall. And here's just another picture of that area. And You can explore just about anywhere. We can go to Dallas, Texas. Click there, double enter, and we're gonna get ready to fly. And then you're in Dallas, Texas. Fountain Palace, or Fountain Place, Dallas. And they've got 213 photos for you to explore here. And you can just drag and search around. And that is your intro to Google Earth. If you ever get stuck, just click around and you could usually find your way.